Here is day one of making $100,000 in a dropshipping store using only organic TikTok videos, no paid ads. Okay, so first things first, since I'm new to the e-com talk space, let me give you some perspective on who I am and for the challenge. I started dropshipping in February of 2020, and since then I've made 4 different stores that have done well over $100,000 in sales. I'm actually close to the 1 million mark. My latest store is projected to pass $100,000 this week using only TikTok videos, no paid ads at all whatsoever. And now I'm going to recreate that using a new product, new store, new TikTok page, everything new with you guys following my every move. So step number 1 in the process of dropshipping is picking a product, right? Wrong. Step number 1 is your mindset. The most important thing to think of when you're trying to find a product is branding. There are thousands of scammy dropshippers on TikTok and other social media platforms that are ruining the game. So be different. If someone looks at your TikTok page and thinks to themselves, oh wow, that's a dope company, you just won. But on the other hand, if someone goes to your TikTok page and says, oh look, another one, oh look, another dropshipper, oh AliExpress product, oh that's gonna take 90 days to ship, I'm not buying, you just lost. So again, as you're looking for a product, focus on creating a brand. Don't sell a product, sell a brand. All right, for a sneak peek on day 2 and the product that I chose to sell for this challenge, go to the YouTube linked in my bio. Peace. All right, for those of you that came from my TikTok video, here's the sneak peek. Day 2 will be going into this product and how I'll sell it.